Hello everyone, welcome to Virtual Reality Adventure. Today we are all again excited to unbox the original Oculus Rift CV1 consumer version 1 that was released from Facebook actually after the purchase of the Oculus company. So this is the first one that was released for the consumer market from the company. So it also was lying around in the lab, hasn't been opened yet, so let's start the unboxing. Okay, it's been wrapped in some plastic covering from the company that provided the headset to the lab. Okay, it's very... Let's put it out. Oh no, there's more. So let's just break them apart. So let's take it out from the plastic covering. We've got some damaged bit here. When we personally bought it, we were very excited. So it is going to be a very refreshing my memories actually. So let's take the plastic out now. This box has the headset picture in front, the touch controllers. The newer Oculus Quest 2 controllers are almost kind of circular like these ones. Some cravings on the top from Facebook, yeah, of course. The company name, Oculus Rift, virtual reality, something in other languages. Some information, the address with okay, this is the recommendation specs. It was if you can see the recommendations of that time, it was the time of Windows 7 actually. Now we use Windows 10 always, I think. So it slides out. What is more inside the back side here? As you can see, some symbols, some texts that are very hard to read. But in this side there is some interesting things. If I just take this, there's some games. Oh, very interesting. The medium, the Dead and Buried. Now we have Dead and Buried 2, Toy Box, Robo Recall. It's also very interesting game. Some information what is there in the box. There is the headset, 2 sensors and touch controllers. What you had to do is actually you needed 3 different sensors to set up room scale with the Oculus Rift CV1. You had to place these around your play area, and all of these sensors had to go inside the USB 3 cable ports of your PC. So it was very cumbersome. You need to slide the box open like this. So let's slide it out, or you can actually pull this case, take it out. I don't want to tear anything, so let's just slide it, put it away. So this is the box. So let's open the box. You will have to open it similarly to the HTC Vive one, like this. Okay, let's go. Here is the contents of the box. It's very nostalgic actually. So if we just take it out like this, you will be able to see it more clearly. So these are the 2 sensors. This is the headset, and there is a box here. So let's start taking out the equipments. These doesn't have that many equipments that were there in the HTC Vive box, because it doesn't need that much of a setup. You need to plug in the sensors with your PC, start up their software, and pair the controllers and the headset, and you will be done. Much faster than the HTC Vive one. So this is the sensor. It had a long enough cable, but if you had to really do room scale, you needed a 3rd sensor that will have for that you will be needing a longer extension USB cable, USB to USB, to put it away far enough to cover your play area. These are protected still, so don't want to cover it for now because we will be setting it up in our future videos. So please subscribe to the channel, and we will go through our memories again, setting it up. I don't think they are still they are unsupported, but they are still supported, so we will be able to do that. Let's take the other one out from here too, the second one. And these are the touch controllers here, as you can see, and this is another one. You will be able to really easily distinguish between the left hand and the right hand touch controllers, because you cannot take grip in any other way. This is for the right hand, this is for the left hand, and it has some thumb rest area, the A and B buttons, menu buttons, and like joystick buttons, and they also click. There is also this trigger button here, this click buttons, and these ran on battery. These ran on single battery. We still have the touch controllers, and they also run on battery, so these are very familiar. The interesting thing is that it didn't have inside-out tracking back then, so it used sensors to communicate between the IR LEDs on these panels here. They were tracked based on the constellation tracking system of the Oculus Rift CV1. So let's just put these aside. What's more in the box? There is this box. Inside this box there is the first thing, troubleshooting Rift. Don't give up, we can help. Really, yeah, these are some small directions, interesting. And in this box there is of course batteries. Yes, I think what I know of. Let's take it open, let's get started. Okay, let's take this base out like this, and there is some cleaning cloths. Okay, there is this small screw type thing which you can use to actually take the attached headphones out from the headset. There are some stickers, a huge manual. Let's put that aside, and there is this battery. See here, they are all wrapped in for your controllers. So let's just take these out for now. Let's take the headset out. It has some good attached to the sides of the headset. Very premium feeling, and it's very, very nostalgic. I still love this headset very much. We still use it sometimes because we have now the Oculus Quest. We already moved to the Quest 1. We also have the Rift S. We will be those we have personally, so we have already unboxed them. We will review them later. So stay tuned for those videos too. It has a USB and a HDMI, so you do not have to plug in external headphones here. You don't have to power the sensors too, because they gather power from the USB on the PC. So you had IPD adjustment, manual IPD adjustment. As you can see, let's just look at the action of the sensors if you can get them. We will be reviewing this in detail, so not now. Let's put the headset aside, if you can place it here. What's more in the box? There's nothing actually, it's finished. So let's take the box aside and look at the headsets more. There is the headset, the manual and the cleaning cloths and all that, the two sensors, 1 and 2 and the 2 controllers. There you go. So what you needed to actually run room scale, as I have already discussed about, that you needed another sensor like these. So for that, Movie Lab has a separate box, that is the touch controllers box. We'll be unboxing that in our next video or in one of the future videos. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Like, share and comment as you wish. Please support us so we can continue make interesting more videos like this. Thank you very much. Have a great day.